Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my new video. Today video title guys, Realme phone battery setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you disable your power saving mode. Guys, you want to disable guys your power saving mode, so guys you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable power saving mode in our Realme phone. In this video, I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friend. First of all open your phone setting to disable your power saving mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone battery setting friends, tap here and guys you can see your power saving mode setting friends, tap here. So if you want to disable, so right side guys you can see this power saving mode icon, so guys tap here to disable. After disable guys this setting will remove from here. So as your power saving mode will disable. So like that guys you can disable your power saving mode in your realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.